Hello, Lumberjacks. Welcome to our virtual presentation on becoming LOUIE Smart. My name is Naomi, and today I'll be walking you through NAU's essential online LOUIE portal. We're going to dig a little deeper into the financial account tile of your LOUIE account to help you understand how to view and make payments towards your charges. Clicking on Account Balance will bring up a page that looks like this that will show you what you owe. Already, you can see the total amount that you owe for each term before and after your pending financial aid hits your account. Right now, all of your financial aid is pending as it cannot disperse until 10 days before your classes begin. In this image specifically, the account is already paid completely with leftover financial aid that was never accepted. Since this account is already at zero, charges after pending financial aid hits the account would still be zero. You can click on your charges to see a summary of all of your charges and their due dates. Tuition and fees are always due up front before the semester begins. You can have your tuition and fees broken down into monthly installments as well, so stay tuned to find out how to enroll into a payment plan. There are a lot of additional fees due each semester. Some of these fees are mandatory fees that every student is required to pay. You can find a detailed description of each of these fees on our NAU website. Your specific classes may also have a fee to help for additional materials and shared class equipment. The Payment History tab tracks all of your payments. When financial aid disperses, you should be able to see the awards post as a payment on this tab as well. You can see the details of what that payment paid for by clicking on one of the payments. You can see a breakdown of what that payment was allocated to. Any payments made will always be allocated to the oldest charges on the account. After that, it will follow our disbursement order of tuition and fees first, then housing, then the meal plan, then department charges, and lastly, any miscellaneous charges. On this breakdown, you can also see which term the charge was associated with and how much of that charge the payment covered if it didn't cover the entire charge. If you're the type of person to keep a detailed record of your receipts, this part of your LOUIE account already does this for you electronically. Every personal payment and financial aid disbursement will be kept on your account forever. If there are previous payments that you'd like to view, press the funnel button and filter in the dates that you'd like to view. After that, you can press the Done button and those dates will populate. To reset to the original viewing, just select the Reset button and press Done. To make payments instantly, you can select the Make a Payment tab under the Financial Account tile. NAU utilizes two different third parties, TouchNet and Flywire, for making online payments. You have the option to make electronic check or credit card payments by following the blue TouchNet link. If you choose to pay part or all of your account balance with a credit card, please note that there is a 2.85% service fee associated with paying through this third-party source. If you can provide your bank routing number and account number, you can instantly use funds from your bank account to make payments towards your NAU charges with no additional cost by making an e-check payment. Be wary when making an e-check payment. If you enter the wrong bank information or have insufficient funds in your bank account, there will then be a $30 check processing fee added to your account, and you may not be able to make e-check payments anymore. After selecting the TouchNet link, you may be asked about an NAU electronic business agreement before proceeding. You can check off the box and click Submit to receive your annual tax form 1098-T electronically instead of through paper mail. If you do not want to make this decision right now, you can also click on the link below to be taken to your account and reminded about this later. We do offer the option of breaking your tuition fees into smaller monthly installments by self-enrolling into a payment plan through your LOUIE account. To complete that process, you can navigate to the Enroll in Payment Plan tab under the Financial Account tile. Then select the current semester to apply this payment plan. Please note that you cannot enroll into a payment plan for the term until charges for that term have been added to your account. From there, review the installments. This page will show you how many months your payment plan is for, how much is due each month, and what day your payments are due. Typically, each payment is due on the 15th of each month until the semester is over. Each semester, a payment plan agreement is needed and will split payments into 3 installments over a course of the semester. The next step is the agreement. This page lays out your total charge and how it is broken down into monthly installments. It also states that your payment installments will automatically update if charges on this plan are added, reversed, or reduced. To move to the final step, click on the box next to Yes, I have read the agreement and press Enroll at the bottom. Please recognize that there is a mandatory one-time service charge per semester associated with utilizing our payment plan installment option. Also note that you may be automatically enrolled into a payment plan which has a higher service fee if you have not paid for your tuition fees by their designated due date. This is why we recommend self-enrolling into our payment plan if you know that you cannot pay for these charges up front. Before you are automatically enrolled, you will receive a warning email to your NAU email account outlining your payment options for the semester. Please refer to nau.edu/SADAS, or S as in Sam, D as in dog, A as in apple, S as in Sam, for current payment plan service charge amounts. After you have successfully enrolled into a payment plan, you will be able to see each month's installments as a separate charge reflected in your account balance that we reviewed earlier. At this point, your tuition line will be zeroed out and replaced with your monthly payment plan installment charges. If you have any questions during your transition to college, please give us a call or send us an email. We are here to help.